In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the GoBank mobile app with a simple step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, the process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive into it. To begin, you'll need to open either the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. These are your go-to places for downloading apps, and they're represented by distinctive icons on your home screen, a blue icon with a stylized capital A for the App Store, and a multicolored play button icon for the Play Store. Once you've opened the store, you'll see a search bar typically located at the top of your screen. Tap on that search field and type in GoBank app. It's important to make sure you type the name accurately to get the right results. After you press enter or tap on the search icon, you should see a list of search results appear on your screen. Now, look for the official GoBank mobile app in the list. It'll usually have a recognizable icon that matches the logo and imagery of the GoBank brand. Once you found the right app, tap on it to open the app's information page. Here, you can see details about the app, user reviews, and screenshots of its interface, which can be helpful if you're curious about the features or interface before downloading. Now, for the final step, all you need to do is click the Install button if you're on the Google Play Store or the Get button if you're using the App Store and confirm any prompts that may appear. This action will start downloading the app to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so a little patience is key here. Once the installation is complete, the icon for the GoBank app will appear on your device's home screen or app drawer. You can tap on it to open and begin the setup process. From there, you'll sign in or create a new account to start managing your banking tasks directly from your phone. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to download and install the GoBank mobile app on your device, bringing the convenience of mobile banking right to your fingertips. Remember, keeping your apps updated ensures you have the latest features and security, so check back regularly to see if any updates are available.